Hey yo, good morning fam. Good morning, how we doing? Chuck, what's up? Channel member, greatly appreciate you. Good morning David, good morning Larry. Channel members, I'm super sorry I forgot to post the watch list yesterday in the little community that we got. I got tied up with the G Fuel hit me kind of early, so I completely forgot. I apologize. I will post it today, don't you worry. But yeah, that watch list from yesterday printed, did amazing. We'll go over that here in a hot second. One thing I do want to talk about, I just posted this on Twitter as well, and we've talked about this, multiple times on the stream, multiple times in those weekly watch list updates, or not the watch list updates, but SPY and QQQ updates. Is every single time, not every single time, but almost every single time TLT formed a bear flag and broke below the bear flag, the SPY and QQQ followed within the coming days. So here, one second, let me set this up and we'll go over this real quick. Anyways, if we're looking at TLT, well, it formed a bear flag right here, broke below it on February 3rd. If we go to the SPY, February 3rd was right here, the dead top of this pullback. As we can see, SPY quickly followed. The next time it broke below the bear flag on 3.9, that was, let's see, again, not every time, that was right here. However, the next time it broke below was on 4.4, which was right here, the top of SPY. Now we're setting up for bear flag number 4. The question is, do we break below it and go lower? I talked about, this support on TLT. If we go to TLT on the monthly time frame, it hit it this day right here. That was the support from way back here, which was November of 2018. Go to the daily time frame. It almost hit the bottom on 5.9, whereas 5.9 on SPY right here. Within the few days coming, we saw a nice little rally. So the market has been following bonds. As we can see, TLT is looking pretty bearish. The 10-year yield, talked about this a few weeks ago, how it was pretty much coming up to a top. When the yield goes down, bonds go up. When the yield goes up, bonds go down. So if we're looking at the yield again, this is two different perspectives of what could possibly happen. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. But if we're looking at the 10-year yield, we can see shoulder, head, shoulder. We're breaking below the neckline. And I said in one of those videos, I don't know if you guys remember, that the 10-year yield is possibly at its top. And I gave you the top point of right here at that quarterly pivot, quarterly resistance at 3.21. So if you go watch the SPY and QQQ update from like 4 weeks ago, not 4 weeks ago, when was this? 5.9, 3 weeks ago, whatever the 7th was, I said that this is possibly the top. And it pretty much was. So we'll see if it breaks the head and shoulders. If that's the case, TLT will go up, and as a result, it will break the bear flag to the upside, which is going to result in buying pressure, and we should see SPY and QQQ follow within the coming days. Anyways, that's my little rant this morning. Not rant, but keeping you guys up to date with what's going on. And yeah, let's make a watch list. Hopefully you guys printed yesterday. If you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got, let's see, 100 people in here and only 33 likes. That math don't add up. Remember, if you guys want to watch this, 150 likes is what we got to do. Anyways, to recap yesterday, let's see, hold on. Let me pull it up for you guys. Boom. So the very first thing I said to watch yesterday was Exxon. So if we go to Exxon, I said to watch this for a break above 93.25 for calls. Price target 93.59, 95.15, and 95.65. If we go to Exxon, it ran to a high of 94.77. That was absolutely beautiful. Microsoft, I'm running out of breath this morning. Pre-workout's still pumping in me. Anyways, Microsoft, I said I was only bullish on this here. Let me bring this over for you guys. Microsoft only bullish on this name, looking for a break above 256.5 for calls, price target 258.54, and then 260. Go to Microsoft, we can see that it actually ran all the way to a high of 261.6 yesterday. And then the one that I actually traded was Tesla yesterday. I was only bearish on Tesla, looking for a break below 651.75 for puts, Price target 650, 633, 617, 27, and then 600. Tesla absolutely printed. Let's go to Tesla real quick. Hold on. Yeah, this was pretty much at the market open. As soon as it broke below the level, that's when I went short. There it is. So you can see Tesla dropped all the way down to 638.06 within the first 10 minutes. It was a beautiful trade if anybody caught that. But let's make the watch list for today. Hopefully you guys printed yesterday. If you did, congrats. I also took a SPY trade, AMD trade. I lost on the AMD trade, won on the SPY trade, and then I took a little SPY lotto later in the day and lost on that. But still cleared over $1,000 yesterday, so I am happy. Of course. Cool. So let's see what I like. Let's see what I don't like, and we will go from there. Hold on. There we go. Priority week. Let me get the Discord up to myself. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Cool. So AEP, still waiting on the breakout. Looking super bullish. If we can break, I will be looking to take that to 105. Remember, that was on the weekly watch list. BNO, apparently Brent oil went green. Actually didn't. What is this thing doing? Brent oil, BNO. I might actually be looking to enter this today, hopefully. But BNO looks super bullish. Coin. Nice 1 hour squeeze on coin. I don't know what crypto's doing. Nice 4 hour squeeze as well. Maybe a crack below 64.12 for puts. That's what I would really like. Coin. How's everybody doing this morning though? If you guys can't tell, I'm a little hyped up. Got Shazo's pre-workout in me. I hit a new gym this morning. Went to LA Fitness. I don't know if anybody works out at LA Fitness, but it's literally like 2 minutes from my place. Switched gym memberships. It's not like my old gym, but I would rather save on gas than drive 25 minutes to my other gym. Whoops, I want that off. There we go. Dow still looking for that swing. Facebook is down big time. Actually went straight to that pivot too. You guys notice how accurate those person's pivots are? Like, I gave this level to you guys in the weekly watch list, and even based off of a huge sell based off of news, it still respected that level pretty much to a T. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. But yeah, Facebook, I'd be interested if it got below that post-market low of 177.83. I'm still in Maryland. Still in good old Maryland. Actually, no, I moved in with J-Dun. Shh. JKS looking super bullish. I do want to look to hop into this trade. Remember, we've been watching this for quite some time. Weekly symmetrical triangle, nice weekly squeeze, break above that trend line. It's more than likely gonna go. Anyways, exactly. The Parsons pivots are so accurate, and if you do not know how to use them, I have a video on it, and I also talk about it in my new book coming out. So be ready for that. MRK, not interested. Microsoft. Is that a red candle? Yes, it is. Honestly, that's a far stretch, but I really would only be interested above yesterday's highs. So, hold on, let me see if there's any economic news coming out today. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Got to run it up to 150 likes if you guys do want the watch list. Today is the 24th. PMI at 9:45, new home sales at 10, and then Jerome Powell at 12:20 gives opening remarks at Native American Development Conference. So that's at 12:20. Yeah, Slumberger did go yesterday. Unfortunately, I missed it. Congrats if you caught it though. But yeah, Microsoft. It's a little bit of a stretch, but hold on, let me look at the 4 hour. Okay, the 4 hour is looking a little more bearish. So watch Microsoft both ways. Below 256.75 for puts. Microsoft to bone. Netflix. Not really interested in Netflix. Get the 30-minute up. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, not interested in Netflix. PGR tried to break out yesterday, couldn't really hold. Still watching this. Might enter it today if it's able to hold that breakout point. Again, Slumberger did go. Actually. Let's see, 44 people day trading this. They're trading the $45 calls, so maybe. SLB. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Let's see. What EMAs do you use to make it happen? 5, 8, 21, 34, 55, and 89. Fibonacci sequence. Again, I'll be discussing how to use that entire strategy in my new book. Pre-orders on Saturday. USO. Honestly, this USO has been nothing but a pain. Like, I just wanted to break out. This thing looks so bullish that I'm honest, I might widen my stop loss because I'm so bullish on USO. I think this thing is finally ready to go. It's just taking forever to do so. So I might average down. Again, I really like the setup, so I'm not selling this thing yet until I'm proven wrong. Yeah, super bullish on USO. And day trade stocks. Somebody asked about Apple. Not interested. AMD. Nice 1 hour squeeze. Would be interested below 92.85. That looks pretty bearish. So 93.85. I typically use a 50% stop loss on all my swing trades, but I might widen my USO. Boeing, haven't traded this thing in forever. Is there even liquidity? The 120 puts aren't too bad. What's your stop loss in SPY? If I'm day trading, it's always 20%. When I'm swinging, it's always 50%. Ooh, you want the Discord? All right, 1 second. Hold on. Let me scroll up in my messages and get it for you. Hold on. There it is. Boom. If you want to join the Discord, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is. Everything is right there. We're going to look at Exxon. Let's see. What is the USO option play? You got to join the Discord. It's posted up in there. What is this? Baba. They report earnings. Let's see. Today's Tuesday. So tomorrow, or actually Thursday morning, break below 84.76. $83 puts don't look too bad. So we'll look at Baba. We looked at Coin. Chevron. Wanted to buy the TTM squeeze. The TTM squeeze is also in that link for my affiliate link. So make sure you click on that. Click on TTM squeeze and you're good to go. Let's see, we looked at Microsoft, Nvidia. Let's see. Yeah, I told you, a TTM squeeze it's expensive, but in my opinion, it's worth it. I'm not saying that now because I'm affiliated by them, but you know, even before I got affiliated, I would still sit here and tell you that the TTM squeeze is by far my favorite indicator. I've been using the TTM squeeze for years before I even got affiliated by them. So, again, it's up to you. You don't have to buy it. I'll just then go into my channel and type in USO. It'll pop up with the swing. Let's see, PayPal still in that bear flag. I'm gonna look for a break below. Create the alert. Raku. Down big time. Looks like Roku might go back to those yearly lows. Did we look at SQ? I don't think we did. SQ breaking the trend. Actually, it broke it yesterday. Hold on. Now we got a new trend line. There we go. Sitting at the trend line basically, so maybe if it cracks below it, we can go for the 80 puts. Thank you for the subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. SQ. Tesla. Still in that 1 hour squeeze, it did not crack. Let's see, the pre-market low was it exactly 650? Yes, it was. Okay, Tesla, I like that 1 hour squeeze. Tesla. And then somebody asked about Exxon. I actually think Tesla got a downgrade, didn't they? I believe so. Exxon broke above all-time highs. As far as the setup right now, not too interested. Cool. Yeah, again, the SPY butterfly was risk all. I specifically said that when I put out the signal. It's risk all. Every single butterfly, risk all. They were $40 a pop. I bought 3. Yeah, I like Trend Spider. Let's see. Tons of 1 hour squeezes. Cool. Really with the one-on-one, you kind of pick what we go over. So let's say you're struggling with how to plot support and resistance. We'll sit there for a whole hour and I'll show you all the ways that I do support and resistance. Or maybe, you know, you took 5 losing trades and you don't know why they were losers. We can sit there and review them. It's really up to you what we go over. You just, when you sign up for the one-on-one, you would just type it in the note. You tell me what you want to go over and boom, we're good. But yeah, let's narrow this list. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got 170 people up in here, 95 likes. So if you guys do want to watch this, post it in the chat. We need to run it up to 150 likes. It is free 99 to do so. We absolutely killed it yesterday with the watch list. So let's run it up again today. Let's hope for the best. Coin, beautiful 1 hour squeeze. Like the break below 64.12. There is liquidity in the 60 puts. So I do really like that. Love. Facebook. Yeah, you can do them as much as you want. Doesn't really matter. Disclaimer. Nothing talked about in this live stream is financial advice. Everything discussed is based on my opinion and my opinion only. I am not responsible for any lost funds because options trading is very, very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment. So make sure you guys do your own due diligence and make sure to use your own proper risk management. Boom. One breath. Let's see. Facebook is a big maybe. Again, I'd be interested if it cracked below yesterday's low. If that's the case, market's going down with it. Big time. Microsoft, I like the 4 hour squeeze. Like, as far as the swing trades, I don't really know what I'm entering until later in the day. So maybe around like power hour. Schlumberger, big old question mark on that. Maybe. Boom. AMD. Like that 1 hour squeeze, crack below the pre-market low. 92.85, definitely can go lower. Like, right now we're just doing process of elimination. Boeing, hate you, take you off. Baba. Oh no, that setup's pretty nice. I like that below 84.76. Like SQ. Also really like that one. I'm gonna set an alert for that. Let's see. At or below. And Tesla. Good morning. Beautiful 1 hour squeeze. Yeah, Boeing's banned. Was that line really at 650? Yes, it was. Alrighty. And then let's take a look at SPY and QQQ real quick, and then we'll figure out exactly what we want to watch for the day. Still in that 4 hour squeeze, falling below the moving averages. crack below 390.81, it's probably going lower. We'll see. Somebody have a question? Yeah, I like Trend Spider. The Trend Spider link is in my it's in here. Right there. So SPY at 4-hour squeeze, that's something I would watch. There is the possibility that it will fire up, but it's falling below the moving averages. Odds are it's gonna fire down. But we will see. That's SPY. Look at QQQ. Now that looks bearish. Especially that 4-hour squeeze. Below 287. Could see, what is that? 283. 282.54. I don't got much after that. Oh wait, here's the levels for this week. There we go. It's got room down. We shall see. Okay, let's go back to the top of the list. Coin, again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 115 likes, 168 people. We're close to the goal. Let's see, coin, 1-hour squeeze, 4-hour squeeze. Where's my pivots? There they are. Price target, yesterday's low, 60.51, 59.4. I'll take it. All right, let's watch this. There's a lot of setups today, so. Coin, 1-hour and 4-hour squeeze, looking to fire down. Also, if you guys did not see the video I posted yesterday of 3 things I learned trading with a small account, definitely make sure you guys watch that video. I have another fire video dropping tonight. But coin looking for this thing to break down below 64.10 for puts. Price target equal 62.35. What's up? Again, if you guys are new, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So make sure you guys are subscribed and make sure you guys do put the bell icon on. But coin, there's that. Whoops. Like that, set up a lot. Facebook, again, big maybe. We'll see. Nick, what's good, homie? Chris, what's up? That Microsoft's a big maybe. Honestly, I would be really interested if the market did dump and Microsoft came below 256.75. That's where I would be very interested. So come back to that. We're gonna skip Schlumberger, whatever it is. Take that off the list. AMD, nice 1-hour squeeze, looking pretty bearish. Low 92.85 for puts. Aim for yesterday's low, 90.92. 89.46, so I do really like that one. Yes, coin has liquidity in the 60 puts. 6060. $84.76. I'll be interested there. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Tesla. Very interested to see what happens at 650. I don't know why this screen will not minimize. Also, don't know where that 645 came from, so I'm gonna just leave that. $62241. Cool. Tesla bouncing around whole psych number of 650. We could bounce here and head higher. However, I am more interested if it breaks below price target equal 645, 638.06, 633, 622.41. One hour squeeze, looking to fire down. Bingo. Again, if you guys have not, make sure to click that like button. We got 200 people in here and 140 likes. You guys are super close to the goal. But there's Tesla. I think the last one might be AMD and Microsoft. I really like the way that those are setting up. And obviously, you know, in my opinion, as far as what I'm seeing today, it looks pretty bearish. I could be completely wrong. So if the market does do the opposite and it ends up pumping, I'll be looking for calls to the upside. I'll look for intraday setups. But as of now, I would say I'm pretty bearish. Yesterday's low. Did I already put AMD out? Hold on. What are the two that I put out? I put out Tesla, Coin. Tesla and Coin. AMD, same thing, bearish. Where we at on the daily? Cool. We also got a daily squeeze. I didn't even see that. AMD. Another 1 hour squeeze. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Looking to fire down. Break below 92.85 for puts. Price target equal 90.92. I didn't say I didn't like Facebook. I would only like it if it broke below the the post market low. So right now I just have an alert. 90.92, 89.46. Really anything after 89.46, free game. Free game after that. Boom. I'm also going to buy those things that you put on the wall for the soundproofing or whatever it is. Hopefully Best Buy has them. If not, I guess I gotta order them on Amazon. I'd like to have them today. There's AMD. And then, all right, so hold on, what do we got? Put this over here. We got QQQ that looks bearish. We got TLT that looks bearish. We got, let's see, Coin. Interested in puts and puts only. The only issue is every time I put out only puts on my watch list, the market likes to do the opposite. So the Jim Cramer effect might be happening today, but we're gonna call it the Brandon effect. Oh my God, which I think they're right here. Cool. Yeah, there's a lot on the list today. All right, so we put AMD out. Now we have 3 left that I like: Facebook, Microsoft, and Baba. And obviously I want to continue watching SPY and QQQ. Facebook. Yeah, Facebook, I mean, really just interested at that 178 level. TLT tends to be the leader. So it tends to break, and then the SPY and QQQ follow a few days after. So it could be anywhere, you know, 2, 3, 4 days. But Facebook, big maybe, we'll see. We're 3 legs away. You guys are super close to hitting the goal. Come on, you guys can do it. Oh, wait, what am I doing? What I have Coin right here. So Let's see, AMD, Facebook again, whatever that level was, Microsoft. Looks like it might be trying to come back up, but really only interested in Microsoft above yesterday's high. We do have a 4-hour squeeze. Maybe if this thing breaks below 256.75, I'll also look for puts. But might be BABA. I don't know. We're going to see a little closer to market open, but I do like BABA below 84.75. They have earnings this week. If it cracks below there, price targets are going to be 83.81. Yeah, 83.81 is what I would aim for. And then liquidity is in the 83 put, so perfect. Perfect. So I will see a little closer to market open what else I want to throw on the list for the day. But it is 8:47, so if you guys want, you guys can ask me some questions while I put this in the chat. Hopefully you guys don't just take my watch list and run away from me. But coin, Tesla, and AMD. Boom. And if you are a channel member, I'm going to be putting this in the community right now, so give me one hot second. Again, I forgot to do it yesterday, so I'll make sure I do it now. Tesla but yeah, real quick, if you guys got any questions, feel free to ask. There we go. Boom. Members, you just got it in the community. No questions? Everybody good? I don't see nobody typing. If nobody's got any, I'm gonna feel free to hop off. Grizzly's telling me to look at a stock. FBRY. What is this? FBRY. It's not popping up. Typically I go for growth over the dividends. Like, yeah, I have dividends, but growth is definitely more important, especially because of my age. I'm only 23. So if you're younger, I would say the growth names are going to be your best bet. Again, not financial advice. Once you start getting older, then the dividends are going to probably be more important for that steady income. No, I did not, Chris. What'd you say? I actually do not hunt. I've never been hunting. Evan, just move your stop loss up until your stop is triggered. CPI? No, CPI, there's not. I don't even think there's CPI this week at all. Let's see. Economic calendar. Yeah, there's no CPI this week. CPI was what, last week or 2 weeks ago? But yeah. Thank you, Isaac. I appreciate it. But yeah, Evan, that's what I would say. As far as the person that asked for Apple, it made that 38.2% retracement, had a direct price reaction to that. So if you want, you could watch it over the pre-market highs for a quick little scalp. I personally hate trading Apple, so I'm gonna just skip it. Let's see what we're looking at. Mike, it depends on what time frame you're basing the trade off of. So the 21 EMA, you can use it on any time frame. It depends on what time frame the setup is. So if I notice a 30-minute setup, then I'm going to be paying attention to the 30-minute 21 EMA. Or if I notice a weekly setup, then I'm going to be paying attention to the weekly 21 EMA. With USO, it's based off the 3-day time frame. So I don't care what's happening on the daily. I care about what's happening on the 3-day. Because we can see it was the 3-day symmetrical triangle breakout, which is the reason why we entered. And then the 3-day came back to that 3-day 8 EMA, and now it's holding outside. So since the whole setup was based on the 3-day, that's going to be the one I pay attention to the most. Hopefully that makes sense. FOMC 2 o'clock tomorrow, 2 o'clock. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna get ready for the day. If you guys are not in the Discord, make sure you guys do join. Let's run it up today. Let's make some money. I wish everybody the best. I'll talk to everybody tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Tune in tonight because I do have a fire video that's going to be dropping. As always, I greatly appreciate you guys.